Hello student, welcome in this lecture. In the today's lecture, we are going to see the topic which is present in our fourth chapter, that is GCMS. The topic name is Quantitative Analysis and Choice of Ions. Student, in the previous lecture, we have discussed the points compound identification using reference spectra matching. Means by comparing with the reference compound, we are identify the compounds. Then the second point, mass spectral compilation. Whatever matter is obtained, by compiling that we find out the mass spectral data. In the third point, methods of computerized mass spectral search and commercial mass spectral computer search system. This part we have seen in the previous lecture. Okay, now in the today's lecture we are going to discuss the remaining points which are present in the fourth chapter, that is GCMS. So this is the content of today's lecture. The first point is quantitative analysis by selected ion monitoring. Choice of ion, in that we consider the basic consideration. Then the third is magnetic sector versus quadrupole analyzer. These two are the analyzer, magnetic sector and quadrupole analyzer. So we see their points. Okay, so these are the references here. We start with the first, quantitative analysis of selected ion monitoring. Student, we know that what is qualitative and quantitative analysis. Qualitative analysis, it is concerned with the identification and separation of components present in the mixture. Right? What I am saying here, qualitative analysis is concerned with the identification and separation of components present in the mixture, while quantitative analysis means it concerned with the amount of components present in the mixture. Means the name itself indicate quantitative means how much amount of components are present in the given mixture, that can be analyzed by the quantitative analysis. Okay, this quantitative analysis by selected ion monitoring means, student, when we get the spectra of any compound, at that time we are getting so many fragmented ions, right? So out of that ion, we are going to select those ions which we have required, right? So that is called selected ion monitoring. We are not going to take all the ions. So only selected ions we are going to take. That's why it is selected ion monitoring, right? So quantitative analysis by that selected ion monitoring, that point we are see in this slide. Okay, so GCMS is the unique in its ability. It is a unique technique to quantify the trace level of specific organic compound in the presence of hundreds of other substances, some of which are present in the concentration thousands of times higher than the analyte. This capability can be achieved because of the unique and complementary nature of GC and MS, gas chromatography and mass spectrometry. What is the exact role of this GC and MS? GC isolate the analyte from most of the other component in the mixture, and MS provide selective and sensitive detection. Means role of GC isolation and MS has provide selective and sensitive detection. Means GC isolation, MS detection. Okay, this is the role of GCMS. To achieve the low detection limit, GC peak must be narrow and characteristics ion of analyte monitor using this selected ion monitoring, SIM. quantitation may be carried out using peak heights or areas reconstructed from plots of iron. These iron plots can be made from data obtained in either scanning or SIM mode with the mass spectrometer. But the higher detection limit with this selected ion monitoring achievable, it is the most of the choice for any application in which the quantitation is conducted on recognized substances. The GCMS SIM technique has many recent applications that included quantitation of a particular compound present in the trace level in a complex mixture, developed a significance. Many applications requires are the estimation of toxic substances in the ambience additional use in the areas of forensic science. So this GCMS selected ion monitoring, it has application in forensic science. Chemical analysis and sickness research in equally relevant, regardless of the compound or the kinds of substance. Okay, so this is about the quantitative analysis by selected ion monitoring. Then the next point is choice of ion basic consideration. Only a few and selected ions are used in SIM analysis, right? And because these are chosen before a sample is injected, carefully consideration must be given to which ions are monitored. Okay, the principal requirement for the quantitation are that the ions chosen are specific to the compound quantified and they should be principal ion in the mass spectra of these analytes. More than one ion can be monitored for each compound of interest. However, detection limits become increasingly poor as the number of ion is increased. Usually, the base ion of the compound will be chosen. When we get the spectra, we mostly use the base ion peak. It is nothing but the molecular weight of that particular compound. That's why we choose the base ion peak. If the mass spectrum of analyte has several ions of high relative abundance, then the high abundance ion of highest mass will be generally result in reduced background and therefore a higher signal to noise ratio for the determination. Initially, the ion can be chosen from reference mass spectra of the compound to be monitored. If interference are encountered at these ion when analyzing a real samples, different ion can be selected. It should never be assumed that a real sample contains no interferences. If the analyte is present in the sample and there are no interfering compounds, then a response will be obtained for all characteristic ion monitor. Okay, what they say here, the analyte present in the sample, there is no interfering ion, means other impurity if present in the sample they also interfere, so no interfering ions are interfering compounds are there, then the response will be obtained for all the characteristic ion monitor, means all ions get monitored. Further, all of these ions will maximize at the same retention time, have the same peak shape and will be present in no relative abundances. The possibility of interferences increases as attempts are made to achieve lower detection limit. Okay, so this is about the choice of ions. Then the next is magnetic sector versus quadrupole analyzer. The quadrupole analyzer, it is generally preferred for GCMS and selected ion monitoring application. It is used and flexibility of analysis. In terms of ease of use and flexibility of the analysis, the quadrupole analyzer is preferred for GCMS and selected ion monitoring application because the ions are filtered depending upon DC and AC voltage applied to the quadrupole rods. It is simple to rapidly switch between the ion of widely varying M by Z values. A series of ion may be sequentially monitored with a little regards to order of M by Z values, and with each ion having a different retention time. Quadrupole have a linear mass scale and are not subject to the hysteresis effect that limits some magnetic sector instrument. The only advantage to use the quadrupole mass analyzer is their low resolving power. It has low resolving power, that's why it is the disadvantage of this quadrupole mass analyzer. High resolution magnetic sector or double focusing instrument are needed in application where interferences may be the problem. Okay, so this is the magnetic sector versus quadrupole mass analyzer. Here one example is given. In this example, some possible interferences for a quadrupole mass spectrometer is given. Here, this analysis of an environmentally important compound, that is TCDD, means tetrachlorodibenzo-dioxane, that is TCDD. Using it would not be possible to distinguish TCDD from the other compounds. If the principal ion of M by Z 322 was monitored, some of the interfaces would be resolved by chromatography. However, if only of these compounds co-elute with this TCD, it is possible to obtain a false positive identification of this TCDD. That means these are the compounds. This is the formula for this compound. These mass interfering ion and resolution needed for the separation. Okay, so this compound, when we obtain on the mass spectra, this TCDD means tetrachlorodibenzo-dioxane. This ion is an interfering ion. It interfering along with this 321. The TCD also shows the peak at 322. So that was also monitored in this case. And the resolving needed for this is the resolution needed for the separation. It is present here. Okay. So this is the chart for this is TCDD. It is an interfering ion. It interferes and it shows the peak at 322. Means it is very close to this 321. Okay. So this is about the magnetic sector versus quadrupole analyzer. Student, so in the today's lecture, we discussed this 3 point: choice of ion, quantitative analysis by selected ion monitoring, and magnetic sector versus quadrupole analyzer. These 3 points we are see in this lecture. Now in the next lecture, we will discuss the remaining points which are present in this fourth chapter, that is GCMS. Okay student, thank you.